Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be making a mushroom dansak. It's vegan, really popular with vegan customers. What we're going to need about 7 to 8 pieces of mushroom cut up, 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic and ginger, 2 teaspoons of tomato puree, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, sprinkle of Kasuri Methi, 3 teaspoons of pre-cooked Dhal, 2 teaspoons of our Desi style mixed powder, 1 teaspoon of chilled chili, which is just chili powder, a quarter pint of base gravy. Sorry, I had to put the 2 sprinkles of coriander under here because there wasn't much room there. Yeah, please feel free to comment, subscribe, like. A lot of people have been commenting, asking me a lot of questions. I've been giving tips, helping them, and I hope I've made a difference to their cooking. Also, anything like the Dhal or the base gravy which you're unsure how to make, look down in my descriptions below and there'll be a link to how to cook that stuff. So yeah, let's get going. Mushroom dance. So I've just got a couple of teaspoons of oil going here. So I've given it about 30 seconds to warm up. And then we've got 1 teaspoon of garlic ginger paste. Just going to let that cook in a little bit. You don't want it to cook too much that it burns, but just so it goes a little bit goldeny. So it's been about 30 seconds, gone a bit goldeny now. You can hear it sizzling as well. And then we've got 2 teaspoons of tomato puree. And we have lemon juice here. A little bit on the edge. A couple of teaspoons of lemon juice. Don't want to put it too much because it'll be very tangy. You can always put in a little bit after, so once the curry's made it's not tangy enough, just you can add accordingly. So we've got about a sprinkle of Kasuri Methi. That's going in. A couple of teaspoons of sugar. And then now you put your gas low because you're going to add the spice. They'll burn easily. You just want the spice to cook in. So we've got about 2 teaspoons of our Desi style mixed powder. And then about a teaspoon of our chilled chili. So then we've got our pre-cooked Dhal. That's ready to go in. And you just want to mix it along. And a handful of mushrooms. Remember, you're leaving it at low gas. You're letting the spice mix in with the pre-cooked Dhal, with the mushrooms. If it's getting a little bit, if it's sticking to the pan, add a slight bit more oil. So then you've got your base gravy, about a quarter pint of base gravy, less than your normal cokes, because you've got the Dhal. That's going to make it. For what I need, how much? If you like your curry thicker, add more Dhal. If you like it a little bit more runny, but you still want, obviously the Dhal's got to still go in there, add more base gravy. It's entirely up to you how you like it. Once the gravy's in, you can then put it up high, mix it throughout. A mushroom won't take that long to cook. It's not like lamb or chicken. And you don't want to overcook the mushrooms because it would just start going very kind of soggy, very, very soft. You want it slightly a little bit crunchy, not over the top. So once your sauce has warmed up, and we're just going to put some coriander in there just to cook in slowly towards the end. pretty much done. And you just add sprinkle coriander on top. And that's complete, a mushroom dansak.